Welcome to downtown Austin, Texas. Come along with me on a tour of the 360 Nueces building, Unit 914. We're going to show you all of the amenities this amazing building has to offer, in addition to its very convenient location. The 360 building has a royal blue grocery located just on the corner. It has secured front door entry and numerous points of entry, which again are secured. The lobby offers a great meeting point for any guests or vendors, and it's so convenient to be able to access all of the building's amenities. These include a gym or fitness center, a business center, a library, a game room, and common kitchen area that you can reserve for any events. The building always has its community events posted on the digital screens outside of each elevator. Here we are, Unit 914. The interior features include updated hardwood flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows, a built-in desk upon entry, part about living on this level is that you have terrace patios in lieu of a balcony. So you have oversized outdoor space, and you're conveniently located on the same level as the heated community pool and are able to take in the skyscape sunsets and just get additional light in your unit. The enclosed bedroom has a walk-in closet, and the laundry is located just off the hall. The bathroom offers dual sink vanity and a tub shower. Check out these amenities you can utilize at any point in time. There's dedicated workspaces throughout this area, an owner's lounge, a billiard table. You can reserve the kitchen for hosting friends, family, or entertaining clients. Again, points of entry are all secured, so you have the convenience of feeling safe at all times. The resort-style amenities in the 360 condominium building include this very spacious fitness center, and look at the views. And like I said, the location is superb with a royal blue grocery on the nearby corner. With food, restaurants, retail, all within just blocks. Total walkability in downtown Austin with restaurants, bars, retail, entertainment, and you could take leisurely walks or ride your bikes around Lady Bird Lake and Shoal Creek. Thanks for touring this beautiful condo with us, and please contact NMC Realty Group if you have any questions about exploring downtown Austin or this building in particular. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to hear more about the city of Austin or Southern California, and be sure to tour our other properties.